Have you ever wondered why your body feels tired but your mind refuses to shut down? Why, even when you lie in a dark, quiet room, your heart keeps racing, your thoughts won't stop spinning, and your sleep feels like a battle you can't win? Do you wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, "What's wrong with me? Why can't I sleep anymore?" Here's the shocking truth. It's not just aging. It's not normal senior insomnia. What's really happening is something most doctors never talk about. A hidden force quietly sabotaging your nights, one that creeps into your system so subtly you don't even feel it coming. It's called silent stress. And after 60, it becomes one of the most powerful enemies of your sleep, your energy, and your health. Silent stress is the storm that never roars. You don't see it, you don't hear it, but you feel it. In the restless tossing, in the racing heart, in the 3 a.m. thoughts that refuse to let go. It's the kind of stress that hides behind your calm smile and polite words, while deep inside, your body is quietly fighting for balance. Every time you think you're fine, your brain releases tiny waves of cortisol, the stress hormone that was meant to protect you from danger. But there is no danger now, just your mind stuck in alert mode, unable to find the off switch. And here's the cruel part. You may not feel worried, but your body does. It's still scanning the horizon for threats, tightening your muscles, quickening your pulse, and blocking your ability to fall into deep, healing sleep. That's why even when you sleep for hours, you wake up feeling heavy, tired, and drained, like your body worked all night instead of resting. And it doesn't stop there. Silent stress does more than ruin your sleep. It quietly damages your health. It weakens your immune system, increases inflammation, accelerates aging, and even affects memory. You might notice you're more forgetful, your blood pressure is rising, or you're more anxious for no clear reason. That's the fingerprint of cortisol imbalance. It's not your imagination. Your body is asking for help. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. You can retrain your mind and body to feel safe again, to remember how to let go. It starts with your evenings. The way you end your day shapes how your body sleeps. After sunset, dim the lights. Bright white or blue light from phones and TVs tells your brain it's still daytime. Soft, warm lighting sends the opposite message. It's time to rest. Then, take 5 slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale through your mouth for 6. Feel the stress leave your body. Your heart slows, your muscles soften. It's your body's signal to shift from stress to peace. If your mind won't stop replaying worries, give it a home outside your head. Keep a small notebook near your bed and write down everything that's bothering you, then close it and whisper, "These thoughts belong here, not in my dreams." It may sound simple, but it tells your brain it's safe to stop protecting you. You've acknowledged your worries, now it's time to rest. Don't forget your body. Many seniors carry tension in their shoulders, neck, or lower back without realizing it. Gentle stretching before bed, a few slow movements, rolling your shoulders, rotating your ankles, lifting your arms, can melt away stored tension and signal your body that it's okay to relax. You don't need long workouts. Just a few mindful minutes of movement can make all the difference. And if you wake up in the middle of the night, don't panic. Don't grab your phone or stare at the clock. That only reignites the stress loop. Instead, close your eyes, place one hand over your chest and one over your stomach, and breathe slowly. Feel your heart. Feel your breath. Whisper to yourself, "I am safe, I am calm, I am allowed to rest." These words, repeated softly, retrain your nervous system to trust the silence. After 60, even small things, a heated news story, a late phone call, an unfinished thought, can raise your cortisol and linger in your body for hours. That's why your nighttime routine must protect your peace. Replace screens with calm music, dim light, or gratitude journaling. Each act tells your body, "You're safe now." Over time, this consistent message rewires your system. Your sleep deepens, your body heals, your mornings feel lighter again. Because sleep isn't just a break, it's your body's repair mode. When you finally release the grip of silent stress, you're not just sleeping better, you're restoring your youth from the inside out. You're giving your heart, your brain, and your spirit a chance to breathe again. So tonight, before you turn off the lights, ask yourself, what if your sleeplessness isn't your body breaking down, but your body begging you to listen? What if your best, most peaceful nights aren't behind you but ahead of you? You have the power to change that. All it takes is a new kind of awareness, a new kind of calm. Here at Golden Rest Guide, that's what we're here for, to help you find that peace again, one gentle night at a time. If this message touched your heart, please subscribe, share this video with someone who needs rest, like it to support this peaceful community, and comment below if silent stress has ever stolen your sleep. Together, let's take back the calm, the peace, and the rest your body truly deserves. Because after 60, sleep isn't just a habit, it's your lifeline, and your healing begins tonight, right here with Golden Rest Guide.